What's up guys, and yep, you heard that right. The Pixel 3 XL has just been officially reviewed along with a comparison with the Huawei P20 Pro and Galaxy Note 9. We've already seen its unboxing video, we know how it looks and what it offers, and now we got a review. Never have I ever seen something like this happening to a phone which is supposed to get launched in October, but it's already out thanks to some anonymous sources of darkness from Russia. Apparently someone from Google has leaked this phone to some source, and it is now selling at a $2,000 price on black market, and some people have it already, so that's why you've been seeing all these leaks everywhere. And it's also been said that Google is investigating into this matter. But anyways, we do got our review here. It is legit, and today we are gonna talk about everything that is the Google Pixel 3 XL and its comparison of its main feature, which is the camera, against the beast Galaxy Note 9 and the Huawei P20 Pro. So courtesy of mobile-review.com, the Pixel 3 XL that they have is the near final product with the complete software and the new Google camera application. First up is the unboxing. This is everything you'll find in the box. We have already seen the video, so again, it's pretty much the same stuff. The new thing here is the new wired stereo headset from Google, which separately cost $150, so that's a nice value there indeed. Now looking at the phone itself from the back, it has a very similar physical look and build quality like the Pixel 2 XL from the last year. So we have plastic and glass back combination. The camera does protrude a little, similar to the Pixel 2 XL, but this time the difference is that it does support fast charging. The biggest change you're gonna see is going to be on the front of the display. You're now getting a really good OLED display with accurate colors, which is said to be on par with the iPhone 10. Still not as bright as the Note 9 when viewing outside. It is a Quad HD display with the size of 6.2 inch, and it has about the same footprint as the Note 9. But there is a huge notch up front, a deep one indeed, with a big chin as well. Now the reason for this big chin is the front firing stereo speaker system. And this big deep notch has two cameras. One of them is said to be a wide angle camera lens, and the earpiece that doubles as a speaker is also in this notch. It's happening guys, there is no hiding from the notch. Last year it was the headphone jack, and now it's the notch. Now under the hood we have the Snapdragon 845 processor with 4GB of RAM along with stock Android 9.0 version. It runs with zero lag. The source says that it runs with zero lag. The source says that it is super smooth and it performs really good throughout the UI menu with applications and everything. And that's true. Pixel phones are really good with the performance. So Pixel 3 XL will be on top-notch performance. Now interestingly, the battery has gone smaller than the 2 XL of the last year, so it's now coming at a 3430 mAh size instead of a 3570 of the Pixel 2 XL. I don't know why they did that, but it is what it is. The pricing of the Pixel 3 will be $649, and it's gonna be $749 for the Pixel 3 XL model, and they will all come with the $150 stereo headset out of the box. I would say pricing is definitely nice for those who are looking forward to these phones. And now let's talk about the camera. First up is the camera UI. It's now better than before with menus at the bottom. It is having the same specification and resolution as the last year's models. We got a 12-megapixel camera on the back and an 8-megapixel camera on the front. Now there are two front cameras. One of them is said to be a wide angle lens, but the review doesn't mention that at all. You can see two cameras are there in that big notch, but nothing from this review towards that. The back camera can shoot videos at 4K 30 FPS, but the final version would probably be able to record 4K at 60 FPS. Now, as for the photos, well, it's the HDR Plus magic all over again, making things super attractive with great dynamic range in comparison to the Note 9 and P20 Pro. Now when it comes to zooming, this is where the optical zoom of the P20 Pro / Note 9 will provide better results than the digital zoom of the Pixel 3 XL, just because it has a one single camera lens on the back. So overall, it's just your Pixel 2 XL with notch and the latest specs bump. I know most of you guys would agree that the design is not good, especially now that the notch is getting better, or at least smaller as we have seen on the Huawei P20 Pro and some of the Oppo phones. They went real deep with the notch. Now, interestingly, there will be total of 7 Pixel phones. 2 of them are the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, which are getting released in October. And one is the flexible Pixel coming in distant future. One of the model is coming in early 2018, which is said to be the replacement for the Pixel 3 XL model with the following specs improvements. So first up, we're getting the facial and iris sensor on this new Pixel, and there will be reinforced stereo speaker system, dual basic camera, or I would say dual camera on the back with some kind of AI implementation. Rejection of mechanical key touch buttons like in HTC U12 Plus. There will be improved chipset from Qualcomm. Obviously, it's not going to be Snapdragon 845, so you can expect the Snapdragon 855 processor. And also, there is support for the new generation of VR that comes out in 2019 or later. So yeah, I think this is not the final Pixel that you're expecting. Google is indeed going to bring the heat in the early 2018 and release a $1,000 Pixel, I would say, with dual camera, Snapdragon 855 processor, and probably some support for 5G. And maybe if we are lucky, we might see a design change. So yeah, not the best from the Google, I would say. This is what we have with the Pixel 3 XL model. If you want to read the full review, you can check the description. And also let me know your thoughts down below regarding this. What do you think about the design and everything that is coming with this phone? Are you interested or not? And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.